Tractor fired up here. Forest is just getting started here. Got opening up an 80, probably ready beans right now. Just inching out. I haven't heard moisture on anything we got there yet, but just getting started. You can see everyone was out watching it get started. So we got out there. We didn't tighten the draper belts on the tractor or on the draper. Wow. Mentally, I am not ready for harvest. I still getting in the swing of things, but I got the grain cart hooked up here, tractor ready to head over and go catch some beans, see what they are. Depending on what they are, we might bin them, might haul them to town. We'll just have to see. Just getting started here. There's maybe a chance of rain, thunderstorms even, blowing up around 4 o'clock, so hopefully we miss that. Otherwise I have to take off for a meeting at some time, so we'll see what happens here. Yeah, let's bring on harvest 2025. No, I don't think those storms they were calling for are gonna hit us, thankfully. Cutting along pretty good. Yeah, just getting used to the machine again. I mean, it's been a whole year since we run it in beans, so just getting back in the swing of things, doing some calibrations, making sure the auto track wasn't working there for a second, as we didn't disable the RTK. We're just running SF3 this year because they don't have radio RTK in our neck of the woods anymore, and we don't have an SF RTK receiver on the combine. And that's a signal to get in position to get grain. Pretty clean looking from what I can see in the windows there and just coming out of the combine, but oh, I looked in the grain tank earlier too. It's doing pretty good. Getting the concaves redialed in for soybeans again. We got the Estes concaves in there. Cutting the land in here, going across. Dad's trying to do some calibrations. The yield monitor and everything got active yield. I have to say, less than impressed, or less impressed than what we thought we'd be after getting that for the first time. I think we could calibrate it better ourselves. I think a lot of people can. Just in a sea of beans right there. So I didn't show it. That was me that cleared that, so there we go. Not the feed accelerator, thankfully. Just wet beans. can see the raindrops. It's starting to rain here now. I guess we're not going to get lucky. I wasn't even looking off to the east, but yeah, it's coming in hot, it looks like. Grandpa's getting out of the combine after riding. Oh, hopefully we don't have to pack her in. Well, it's raining again. Don't know what to think here. And they're having issues with the draper head. Might be all she wrote for the night. This is no fun. You just barely see a rainbow off to the east, and the rain has encapsulated us. I don't know what the plan is here. Dad's up in the tank right at the moment and getting every little bean out and then closing her up again. Yeah, I don't know what to think of all this. First day for you, start on a Monday. It is a Monday. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it. It rained enough. We probably still could, but now we're making tracks with how damp it is now. So it didn't take much for it to do that, unfortunately. Just the wet year we've had, the ground is already super saturated, and like I said, it's first day. We're not super gung-ho into all this, especially when this is no fun dinking around like we are, but getting a dent out. It's a small one, but we're getting a dent out. Well, hello everybody. Combine operator today. We have rolled pretty quick through harvest. It's been a fast season, been a safe and bountiful season for us. We are rolling along. We've got this farm and one field after that is all we've got left for the corn harvest of 2025. Been a good year. We had minimal breakdowns. We've had everyone safe. Crops have been pretty good to average for the most part. Gonna do a little bit different here. Probably just do one big harvest video and just kind of a summation, because we went hard and fast, and just logistically of everything, it didn't work out. I've been a lot more active on my other channels with TikTok and Instagram and whatnot. That's kind of been my focus, where I've seen some success on here, but I didn't want to skimp out on this as well too. So just kind of a summation of harvest here. I've done just about every job there is this season, since we picked up a third semi-truck before season with an automatic transmission, which is easy for me to drive. So that's nice. Run the combine here as much as I can, run the grain cart quite a bit. Yeah, everyone's done a little bit of everything. About the fastest we've done here. We're pushing about 5.1, 5.2 is what I got her sitting at right now for speed. Corn's doing pretty decent. This field all year long looked a lot better than it does right now, but we got some winds in late July that really set it back, unfortunately. There's a lot of farms we had in some direct line of some pretty bad wind. Got moisture at the right times, it seems like, for the most part. Conditions planning were awesome. Pretty good job on the crop protection, minimal weeds out here going through the machine. This has been probably my favorite harvest season, just from being able to be out here and farming with my family. Grandpa's visited just about every day. Rode the combine a ton. We're truly blessed. You guys say hi to your brothers and sisters and moms and dads.
Hi.
Little camera shy, not too bad. So you picked up some riders. They were on the side of the road there. I thought I'd give them a ride. Comes the bunny. This farm was kind of in line with some winds that knocked the heck out of it. It's been kind of a pain in the butt, this back side of the field, but we're making it work. This is the last pass, if not second to last pass of Harvest 2025. You can see here just the lovely mess of down corn we got. But we're doing a pretty good job of cleaning it up. There's a raccoon running over there. Here we go, last few stalks of Harvest 2025.